Hello, my awesome super readers, and now avid readers. So I know before we left school, guys, we have been working on becoming avid readers. We know avid readers read anywhere, anytime, in any place. No matter what they're doing, they are focused and they are really using their strategies, and they're not letting other people read for them. They're really into their book and they're asking questions throughout their book, and they're thinking about what their characters are feeling and even reacting to those book, and they're, if the book is sad, they may look like they're upset. If the book is funny, they may even be laughing, which is awesome. So today I want you to think about, as you are being an avid reader, think about wow moments in your book. I have assigned some new books in our Raz Kids website and resource that we have been doing, and I'm super proud of all of my friends that have been visiting our Raz Kids website and doing some of the follow-up activities, reading, and then doing some of like the comprehension questions and the quizzes. I am super impressed at the amount of friends that I have visiting that website and doing the assigned activities. I am so proud of you guys. So this is just another reason that I'm excited to give you this, because I know you guys are going to do great on it. So you can pick any one of the books that I've assigned. Some of them have a little quiz to follow after it that you can work with a parent on, or you can just read some of the books that I have just assigned you just to enjoy. So either one that you want to do, guys. But during those books and while you're reading them, think about a moment that is just really funny or really surprising or maybe even really sad, and that's okay. So think about a wow moment that just really caught you off guard, that you were just like, you cannot believe this moment is happening in the book. And if you have found that moment, then share it with a friend at your home, share it with a parent, share it with a sibling, and then kind of talk to them about the book and what is happening and why you think it is a wow moment. I hope you have fun with this, guys, and I cannot wait to see what awesome books you read on Raz Kids. Have fun. Bye.